why is it, or why do some people claim to support free market capitalism, but abandon those principles when it comes to things like patents and subsidies? Whoa. Yeah. All right.
Taking the subsidies out of the equation.
Okay. Yeah. Yeah. So free market capitalism. Okay. Sure. Yeah. The concept of a patent does is I say is anti free market. It is a monopoly. It's a legal limited
Yeah,
monopoly.
artificially created monopoly.
Yep. Yep. And so it is still a financial free market incentive though for that inventor to want to share what they've come up with, their hard-earned technology, whatever it is, the product, solution, system. Instead of them keeping it to themselves, they're sharing that knowledge in exchange getting a up to 20-year limited monopoly to exclude anyone else from making, using, or selling that product. So that's my quick take on that. Matt, do you have anything on that you would say? Anything else I'm missing from that?
Yeah, no, I think the I don't think that the two are mutually exclusive, obviously, but I do think that when we're talking about like policy, capitalism, whatever, right? You do have to look at, why you would want to create an artificial monopoly for patents, right? And it's to promote the useful arts, which means science, right? Technology. We're trying to promote, we're trying to drag our society into the future, right? And we do that by incentivizing, businesses, inventors, corporations with a monopoly for a limited time.
Yeah, yeah, right.
Otherwise, if we don't do that, who's gonna, obviously put the money, the R&D, and the time in to develop these, next generation technologies? Anyone can use them freely.
Yeah, I think a good way to think about it is what if the patent system didn't exist and we had likely all the big companies you can think of huddling around their R&D departments, making these interesting, cool things and keeping as much as possible trade secret, keeping as much as yeah,
There'd be very little incentive to innovate more than you absolutely had to create a competitive advantage in the marketplace, right? Because any incremental advancement you make can be copied immediately by your competitors. So there wouldn't be anyone swinging for the fences in terms of innovation in the United States.
yep, yep.